So I got this amazing letter from this woman that I want to read to give you some insight of what Morocco Method has done for so many people. Anthony, I want to thank you, and you have changed my life. That's the opening sentence. I have spent at least 25 years going to high-class salons for hair dye every 6 weeks. My last haircut cost me $100, and the dye was another $150. I routinely spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on hair products. I have spent enough money on my hair to buy a new car. How could it look so bad and feel so dry? I had literally been propping it up with dry shampoo that burnt a hole in my scalp. Wow. And the doctor had to treat it with antibiotics. That's pretty serious. I knew I had to make changes. I was spending lots and lots of money, but I could not focus on myself anymore. I was working 12 hours a day as a professional, but my hair needed attention. I have always had thin hair that is naturally fine and curly. It turned white when I was 28, and I started dyeing it blonde. Or rather, I had it dyed blonde. Yes, in photos, my hair looked amazing, but it was dry and brittle, and now falling out. When I stumbled on your website, I was skeptical. I did not buy anything. Then I started to read your books. I have 4 books that are free on my website, MoroccoMethod.com. I printed them out and kept reading. I realized I had to start researching hair. Why did mine look so bad? All my life, hairbrushes have been my enemy. When I was a child, a woman brushed my hair with a wire brush. It made my head bleed. It's really terrible when things like that happen. I have a sensitive scalp. I kept reading about the part about European boar brushes and spreading oil on your hair. When the brush came, I carefully followed the videos. I was astonished. It did not hurt my scalp. My hair looked better in 5 minutes. Well, isn't that really such a powerful story? I'm really impressed myself. I went back and ordered a bunch of products. I followed the styling video and used the diamond crystal mist and set my hair naturally. Over the pandemic, I started using henna. I started the Lunar cuts using your Lunar hair cutting dates. Pretty soon, my husband quit shaving his head and joined me for a monthly henna. Wow, that's amazing. The results have been nothing short of life-changing. All this, and I have kept swimming. I refused to give up my swimming for my hair, but I did not have to with the henna and euro oil. After swimming, I simply rinse out with the Pearl Essence conditioner. Wow, she's really going all out, doing everything. She's little by little, that's my motto. Little by little, but daily. I spread the euro oil over my face and eyebrows and eyelashes. Then I run my fingers through my hair. I am starting to get compliments again. My co-workers whom I had not seen in person in a year were all complimenting me. I was overwhelmed with joy. I realize you are the Rembrandt of hair. I put you up there with Michelangelo, Galileo, and others who devote their lives to the study of one subject. Well, thank you very much. That's quite a compliment. I'm very, very, very pleased to hear that. I have spent my whole life studying. I'm a professional and I love what I do and reading very professional material. But when it comes to hair, you have done all the work for me and saved me from studying the subject any further. I just follow your videos. It is like a university lecture. It is important advice. Please keep making the videos. You have a lifetime of knowledge, and I want to soak it all up. Your hairbrush changed my life. The whole system is amazing. Thank you. Well, it's quite a story, quite a compliment to Morocco Method. Yes, after 50 years, we're still changing people's lives. So please watch our videos, get educated, become natural. Don't give up on your hair or your scalp. Little by little, every product has a video. So get educated. You're going to use one of our products or even think about it, or you're just curious, watch a video, over another video. Let's make it happen. Let's get healthy, happy, and strong. Our health is our wealth. Thank you.